Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Saris bike mount on the market, the Saris Bones Car Trunk Bicycle Rack Carrier. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use bike rack for your car, this might just be the perfect fit. The Saris Bones rack is iconic in the world of bike racks. For decades, it has set the standard with its unique style and arc-based design, offering a combination of convenience, strength, and durability. Weighing only about 11 pounds, it's lightweight yet built tough to handle your bike securely. This particular model mounts up to 2 bikes, each with a weight capacity of 35 pounds, making it suitable for most standard bicycles. One of the standout features of the Saris Bones is its universal compatibility. It fits a wide range of vehicles, including those with spoilers, thanks to its thoughtful design. The rack's rubberized feet are gentle on your car's finish, preventing scratches and damage, while the coated straps help protect your bike from any wear or scuffing during transit. The rack also includes ratcheting anti-sway straps that keep your bike steady, preventing unwanted movement and potential damage on the road. The frame of this rack is incredibly strong, constructed with injection-molded arms and legs that resist rust and corrosion. This means you can count on it for years, even with regular exposure to the elements. The arc-based design not only looks sleek but serves a functional purpose by separating your bikes on different levels, so they don't touch or rub against each other. Installing the Saris Bones rack is quick and straightforward. You won't need to lift your bike's overhead, which makes it accessible for users of all heights and strengths. The combination of ratchet straps and spring buckle straps means you can secure the rack tightly to your vehicle in just a few minutes, giving you more time to enjoy your ride rather than struggle with setup. Made in the USA, the Saris Bones rack also prides itself on being environmentally conscious, crafted from 100% recyclable materials. This adds an extra layer of appeal for those who care about sustainability. Overall, the Saris Bones Car Trunk Bicycle Rack Carrier offers a reliable and stylish way to transport your bikes. It's durable, fits most cars, protects both your vehicle and your bike, and makes installation a breeze. If you're in the market for a top-quality trunk-mounted bike rack, this product from Saris definitely deserves a close look. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.